have one of the fascinating details with local culture here in Catalonia. It's the fact that here we have the main political leaders of the parties represented in the town council of Vilanova la Geltrú. And they are here on the stage to greet the three wise men of the Orient.
Entra a la plaça de la vila Sa Majestat el rei Melcior.
Because now the first king will enter into the square, and that is King Melchior, the blonde king. Throughout the whole town, starting at what once used to be the castle of La Geltrú, then walk in a procession with horses and people with falcons and a lot of other.
Puja a l'escenari Sa Majestat el rei Melcior.
And here the first king enters the stage. They're in Plaza de la Vila. The mayor of Vilanova, Joan Ignacio Elena, was the first one to greet him. But here he's being received by all the politicians, including the opposition. Look at that. What generosity.
La comitiva de Sa Majestat el rei Gaspar arriba a la plaça acompanyada del grup de sacaires i flabiolaires.
King's Row has been proceeded with his gift. Of course, a gift to the baby child Jesus. In this case, I believe it was the mirror. Is it the mirror or the infant?
A la plaça de la vila Sa Majestat el rei Gaspar. l'escenari Sa Majestat el rei Gaspar.
Just seen King Caspar entering the stage, and I believe that this is where we round off this clip. And let it be said that that's not a sign of any racial discrimination, because the king which we are able to see here is the Black King, Balthasar, the favorite of many children in Vilanova, La Geltrú, in the rest of Penedès, and in the whole of Catalonia. This is the procession of the three wise men.
Arriba a la plaça la comitiva del rei Baltasar.